well. So today I am going to discuss about the ITR, income tax return. So already we have discussed the income tax about the under section Indian Tax Act 1961, which is defined in section 2. And already you can see the previous videos about the income tax related. And today is the ITR income tax returns, and we'll see the what is ITR and what are the kinds of ITR and what is the required and how the person will be identified, whether the person is suitable or fall under the which kinds of ITR. So there are many IPR, total I will having the 7. So which IPR you will be set or fit or kind of fall down for the particular IPR. This is the first stage. It is not like that you are filling any kind of ITR. So that depends on the source of incomes, and you cannot decide any person or public or government job or private job or any kind of business. So that will be decided based on the other sources of incomes and which will be fit and which ITR will be suitable for the persons or kind of any organization or any kind of groups or association or any persons. Or so that we'll see in the next, and the types and the kinds and the descriptions. So today's topic is Income Tax Act 1961. So this is defined in Income Tax Act 1961, Section 2. So today we are discussing about ITR. So this is called a income tax return. It is defined in section 139, 1 clause. So today we'll be discussing about the kinds of the ITR. So ITR 1, this is ITR 2, this is ITR 3, this is ITR 4, this is ITR 5, ITR 6, ITR 7. So ITR 1 is for the person's salary or pensioners or kind of having agricultural income or kind of other sources except gaming, horse racings, etc. Criteria 2 is same salary for pensioners exceeding 50 lakhs income, capital gain, agriculture's income exceeding 5,000, or any kind of foreign assets incomes, or having any kind of building rent income, that also will be decided based on the amount in the ITR 1 and ITR 2. ITR 3 will be professions and business. So here also will be capital gain, stock markets, unlisted equities, foreign assets, payment receipt from the agriculture incomes, and so 4 will be 1 minute. So so 4 will be it is a individuals, and this is a individuals or business or professions exceeding 3 lakhs, and capital gain, stock markets earning, and other sources. 5 will be, this is for companies and organizations, body of individuals, and other sources of incomes. 6 will be religious, charitable, property, income. 7 will be any kind of universities, educational institutions, colleges, scientific research, etc. Other sources. So these are the very important. First stage is to identify which ITR the persons or body of persons or the organizations fall under the which ITR. Otherwise, it will mismatch the income, and you will be getting the notice from the income tax department. And we have to fill every year the financial year of 1st April to 31st March. And in that, we'll be having a assessment year and financial years. So financial years will be where you earn the money, like a example of 2023 to 2024 you earn, and the assessment will be 2024 to 2025, and also its taxable will be saved based on the which regime. Already we discussed regime, old or new tax regime. Already we discussed previous videos, which will you fall, and this is the mandatory to fill, that is by the government, as otherwise government uh, can having the penalties and delay fees and kind of notices can be you will receive from the income tax department. This is all the basic understanding. I hope it will be understandable to you. Thanks.